What's up, everybody? This is Dave the Mechanic, back again with another video. And today we're working on a 2012 Honda Accord. This is the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. This is your new air filter and what it should look like. First, a quick rundown. You can actually remove it without taking off this hose clamp here or removing this harness. Will it make it easier? Yes, but if you want to remove this harness and this hose clamp, you can. It'll give you more space, but I'm going to show you today how to do it without removing that stuff. Let's start with the clips. You have a clip here, there's another clip here. You pull that tab down, and then over here there's another one right there. Now that you have those up, you can basically pull up slightly on this box, and over this side there's two tabs that's pushing into that slot over there. So you have to lift up here and pull to the left, and that would get it out of those slots. And now you have it free, and you can see those slots I was talking about here. These tabs were in these two slots on the side. That's making it hard for it to come up. So you have to pull it to the left and then up. And then once you have that out, you can actually see your filter, which doesn't really look that bad. So we can go ahead and grab that filter and just slide on out and take a look down in there, get out any large leaves or anything that you can just pick out by hand. Don't worry too much about down there. And you can actually tell, that the old filter isn't really that old, but they wanted to change anyways. So we're gonna go ahead and put the new filter in. So to install the new filter, I'm gonna go ahead and lift the box. I'm gonna take my new filter and slide that in. It fits right down, it's a perfect shape for it. And then we can put our box back down. Of course, we have to put these tabs down first in those slots again. Push to the right to their end. And now we come on this side here and we reinstall our 3 clips. That's 2 and then 1 more. And just as simple as that, we were able to get our old filter out and our new filter in just that quick. You have 1, 2, 3 tabs, and then you pull those 2 tabs out of the slot, and that's pretty much it. You don't even have to remove the negative battery terminal because we didn't have to unplug anything. If you liked the video and you thought it was helpful, be sure to hit the like, subscribe button. Also, if you feel this video saved you some money, don't be afraid to leave a little tip in the Cash App. The more reactions and support that I receive is the more content that I'll make.